Hello, grade 2 students. Welcome to a new lecture. This is our third lecture in our second semester. This lecture is going to be about fish. Do you want to learn about a fish? Let's learn together. In this lecture, we're going to know how to identify the body features of a fish and how to label a diagram of the body parts of a fish. But first, we're going to watch a short video about fish and then I will explain.
Fish are aquatic animals that can live in fresh water or salt water. They are oviparous, meaning they are born from eggs. They have fins to move around the water, and they have a tail at the end of their bodies, helping them to swim easily. As you can see, their bodies are covered in scales. Because they are aquatic animals, they breathe through their gills.
Let's take a look at these animals and classify them as fish or not fish. Let's start. Here we have a parrot. Is it a fish? No, it's not. Here we have a snake. Is it a fish? No, it's not. Here we have a goldfish. Is it a fish? Yes, it's a fish. Here we have a shark. Is it a fish? Yes, it's a fish. Here we have a jellyfish. Is it a fish? Yes, it's a fish. Now let's learn how to label the body part of a fish. Can you see the eye moving? Yes. This is the eye of a fish. This is the eye. This is the mouth. This is the gills. A fish uses its gills to breathe. This is the first fin, the second fin, the third fin, and the tail. The tail is also a fin, but it's a tail fin. Now let's talk about some parts of a fish in details, okay? Here you can see a fish. We have the fish scales, as I told you. The fish is covered with scales and fins. This is the first one, the second, the third, and the tail fin. This is the tail, okay? The fish uses its fins and tail to swim and move. Here we can see the fish eye and mouth. This is a closer picture of the fish eye and mouth. Here we can see fish laying eggs. These are the eggs, and this is another picture or a short move of a fish laying eggs. I'm going to ask you some questions. What covers the body of a fish? Scales, right? Scales can be disconnected, by the way. We can move the scales from the fish skin. Do fish have legs? No, of course, no. What do they have instead of legs? They have fins and tail. Can fish live outside the water? No, fish cannot live outside the water. Let's take a look at this fish. It's moving using its fins and tails. But how it breathes? Do you think it breathes? Using its gills, right? So a fish breathes using its gills. Don't forget. This is a closer picture of the fish scales. What covers the body of a fish? Scales. So this is a closer picture of the fish scales. Let's answer these questions together. Number 1. How the fish moves in water? It swims using fins. How it takes in water and food? Through its mouth, right? How it breathes? It breathes through its gills or using its gills. What covers its body? Scales. This is the last question. Can fish live outside the water? No, it cannot live outside the water. Eggs. Enjoy your time drawing the scales and fins and the eye of this fish. Should I help you? I will help you. This is the eye. It looks nice. I'm gonna draw this fin, and I'm gonna draw this, and I'm gonna draw this. We can add some lines to the tail, and that's it. Stay safe. I love you.